Good morning, all of you. Today we are discussing about the third problem. Consider the details of a project as shown in the table. They given the table. They are giving activity, immediate precedence, and the duration. So the activity giving from A to N. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So the activity giving from A to N, and the immediate precedence A activity is nil, B is nil, C is nil, and remaining is the immediate precedence P, A, B, C, D. C, D for the H, and I is the C, D, and J activity is immediate precedence is E, K activity is F, G, H, and L activity is F, G, H, and M also. M is I and N is JK, and the duration of that immediate precedent activity is 2, 5, 4, 5, 7, 3, 3, 6. This is the data for the duration of that activity, and what we told that the construction the project CPM network and determine the critical path and project completion time, and the third one is complete total float and free floats for non-critical activities. In this problem you have to find three questions. So first question is construct the CPM network, second one is determine the critical path and project completion, and third one is complete total float and free float, so these three questions will be given the answer. First you have to find construct the CPM network. So you can draw the CPM network diagram. So first of all you have to take what A activity, the immediate precedence is nil, B activity, the immediate precedence is nil, and C activity also nil. So first you have to take the A activity. So from A activity immediate precedence is nil, so that is A activity, that is 1 to 2, and second immediate precedence B, it will be take B activity, that is 1, again it will be start from first node, so that is also B node, that is 2 is the duration of the time, that is duration 2, the activity A 2, and the B duration is 5 and C duration is 4. So it will be starting from the starting node, that will be differential with the other nodes. So that is the immediate precedence is nil. So first node is completed to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, and next second and next one is ABC is activity is completed, and next D activity, the D activity is start from the D activity is the immediate precedence is B, the B is starting from the D. So B, so where is it is, so the first node is B, the D is activity is starting from B, so this is the D activity, and next one is E. So E is the immediate precedence is A, so it will be E is start from A, so there is the end position of A, the starting of the E, so E is the activity, that the duration is 7, and also D is the duration is 5, so A duration is 2, C duration is 4, so each activity the duration also we are mentioned, and the totally E is completed, and next one is A, B, C, D, E completed, and F also is which start from A, the immediate precedence is A, F, check it. So second one is starting from A, already E is completed, and next then F, so F also come starting with the A, so the end position of node A, the starting position of F is completed with the second node, so immediate precedence second node will be starting for the F, the duration is 3, F is duration is 3, F duration is 3, so F also completed, and then G is the immediate precedence is B. So what is G here is the G, the immediate precedence is B, so B is the end portion of arrow mark, and then will be completed to the G. So this is the B is closed, the node will be starting from G, the duration is 3, that will be starting from the G, so G is also completed, and next H is connected with C and D, so C and D is both are the connected with the H, C and D, where is it, so here C is connected with the D and also connected with the node 4, so node 4 it will be connecting with the C and D, it will be start from H, so here H will be draw the arrow, and the H activity also completed, and then I also same, next one is I also same with C and D, so here C and D is both are connected with the fourth node, it will be starting from fourth, I also connected with C and D, so this is the I activity, the duration is the duration of the I activity is 2. So duration of the I activity is 2. So duration of the I activity is 2. And next one is I is completed and J is single with E. Only single immediate precedence. J is single precedence E. So J where it is start E. So E is the completed node and E is the single node. So J is the single node, that is the duration is 5. J also completed. And then K. K is the immediate precedence is F, G, H. So F, G, H, where is it connected? F, G and H. So 3 are connected with the node 6. So 6 is K. The node will be starting to 6th node, that is K. The duration is 4. And next one is JK is completed and L. Next one is L. L also starting of the immediate precedence is FGH. FGH is connected with the 6th node. Again it will be start from L node. So another path. This is also L also connected with the FGH. So this is completed L. And next M. M is connected with I. So where it is M. So M is here. So I is the connection bond or connection network. So this the network is node 7. The connecting with the M. So M also completed. And last final one is N. N is connected with J and K. N is connected with J and K. So N here, N is the J, the 5th node is J and 6th node is K. The connecting with the J and K is connected with the 8th node. 8th node is the connection of N. Nothing but N duration is 8. This is connected with the 9th node. The N, L, M is connected with 9th node. So this is the network diagram for this activity. The first question is construct the CPM network. So critical path method network. So this is the network is completed for the first problem. And then next one is the first video you completed the construct the CPM network, and second video you have to complete the second B question what they are given. So determine the critical path and project completion time. So determine the critical path. Before you have to finding a critical path, you have to find the earliest time and earliest finish time. So first you have to earliest time for this network diagram. First you have to start the earliest start time. So what is earliest start time formula? Esj equals to maximum summation of Si plus Dij. So summation of Sj equals to the earliest start time, maximum Si is the starting earliest time plus Dij is the duration of time. So first we have to calculate the node 1. So it will be 1 to 9 nodes. Each node we have to calculate the earliest time. So Es is the earliest time, Lc is the latest completion time, latest completion or latest finish time. So the first node is Es. Node 1 is the 0. The starting value is 0. And next node 2. So coming to the node 2, what is the formula? Summation of Si plus Dij. So summation of Si plus Dij. So Si is the earliest start time is 0. Es is 0 plus and the Dij. Dij nothing but duration. So duration is 2. Substitute the value 0 plus 2 equals to 2. So node 2 is completed. And then node 3. So what is the formula? So earliest start time is 0 plus duration is 5. 0 plus 5 equals to 5. So earliest start time is 5. And next node 4. So here node 4, here some technique will be there. So please observe carefully. So that is node 4. It will be carrying for the first node and third node. So both will be coming to the fourth node. So then what is the condition of the forward pass? So what is the maximum value should be considered for the earliest starting time? So here 0 plus 4 equals to, here check is node 4, 0 plus 4 equals to 4, and the another value is third 3 to 4 activity or 3 to 4 node, that is 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. So what is the maximum value? 0 plus 4 equals to 4. Maximum value 5 plus 5 equals to 10. So we are considering the node 4 earliest start time is 10. So this is the procedure for the all the nodes for each and every activity for the earliest start time. So that will be completing to the throughout to the 9th node. So the last 9th node is node 9, that is 20 plus 8 is 28th. So remaining are the same procedure. We have to follow that earliest start time, and then we have to finding the latest completion time, LC. So what is latest completion formula? LCI equals to minimum of J into LCJ minus Dij. So minimum value you have to finding the J value, LCJ minus Dij. So this is the formula for latest completion time, LCJ minus Dij. So LCJ is the node 9. Last one is the what is the earliest start time? That is 28. So 28 is the earliest start time, that will be considered as a latest completion time. So 28 earliest completion also same value you have to take 28, and then we have to backward pass. So backward pass means we have to take the negative value and also minimum value. So here to 9 to 8, 9 to 6, 9 to 7, that will be transformed to the 3 type of nodes. First you consider the 9th node is 28 and it will take for the 8th node. So first you have to 8th node. So what is the value? 28. Node 8 is 28 minus the duration. 28 minus 8 is 20. So node 8 is completed. And next node 7, 28 minus 12, 16. Node 6. So node 6, why it will be taking two values? Node 6 here. So that will be transformed from the 9th node, 8th node. So 9th node, 28 minus 4. So what is 28 minus 4? So 28 minus 4 is 16. Another node is 28 minus 8. So 28 minus 8 equals to 20. So 28 minus 3 equals to 25. So 25 and 16, which is the minimum value? 16 is the minimum value. So here check it, 6th node, 28 minus 4 and 20 minus 4. So 20 minus 4 is 16. 28 minus 4 is 24. So we consider the 16 is the minimum values that we considered. So that will be the same applicable for the all the procedure for taking this formula. So which is the minimum value you have to consider? So 16, 10, 5 and 8, and last final one is 0. So this is the earliest and latest time to completing for the second problem. In that problem, the second B problem, it will be completed. And next then C, complete total float and free float for non-critical activities. So complete the total float to free float for the non-critical activities. In this network diagram, easy to finding a critical path. So for one condition will be there. So what is the conditions? So you have to satisfy the conditions. So first condition is, so ESI equals to LCI, that is 0. So earliest start time and latest completion is 0. So earliest start time, latest completion is 0. So the first one is satisfy. First one, earliest start time equals to LCI is the equal, that is C0 value. So that is 0 is satisfy the condition for the critical path. And next second condition is ESJ equals to LCJ, must be equal. So earliest start time and latest completion time is must be equal. So any time earliest time and latest time for the each node, which node is same equal, that is the critical path. So here check it once, ESJ minus ESI equals to LCJ minus LCI equals to DIJ. So every condition it will be satisfied. 5 minus 0, 5. 5 minus 0, 5. And DIJ value also 5. So that is will be the condition third also satisfy. And here B, so you have to finding the critical path and project completion time. So here 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 9. So what is 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 9. So why you choosing only this activity? So in this activity it will be carefully observe. First one is 0 to 0. Here check it, third node 5, 5. Fourth node, earliest time, latest completion time, 10, 10, 10, 10. And then next one is 6th node, 16, 16. 8th node, 20, 20. And 9th node, last one is 28, 28. So each node it will be same values. So that same values will be considering for the critical path values. This is the easy to finding a critical path in the network diagram. So 0 to 0, 5, 5, 10, 10, 16, 16, 20, 20, 28, 28. So remaining are the 8 to, it's not equal, 15, 9, and next one is 16, 12. See, this is not equal. So that's the critical path is 1 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 9. So you have to calculate that values, substitute the all values and adding for these values, 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8 equals to 28 months. So that is the critical path network will be considered, and the total duration of the activity will be adding for the critical path is 28 months. So this is the easy to finding for determine the critical path and project completion time. So that is easy to finding for the critical path. And then next coming to third question. Okay, next third question is complete total float and free floats for non-critical activities. So next you have to finding the total float and free float for the non-critical path. So just you have to draw the tabular column. First one is activity, second one is duration, third one is total float, and the final one is free float. So activity, you know that activity A to N. So you have to write the A to N alphabetical order, A, B, C, D to come to up to N. And the activities 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. What are the network diagram? You have to draw that. You have to draw that 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. So remaining all this will be completed up to the N or up to the ninth node. And you have to the duration also it will be giving in the question. So you have to write the duration, each duration for the 1 to 2 activity, 1 to 3 activity duration also completed, that is Dij. This is also it is given in the question. This is also given in the question. Is just finding the total float and free float. So what is the total float, free float values? First you have to total float value. So what is the formula total float? So LCJ minus ESI minus Dij. So LCJ first node A activity. So A is the 1 to 2. So first activity you have to finding A 1 to 2. So in the network diagram, shown in the network diagram, 1 to 2, what is the formula for 8? So LCJ, that is latest completion time 8 will be taken minus ESI, so earliest start time 0. So here latest completion time 8 minus earliest start time 0 minus and Dij. We know that the 1 to 2 activity duration is 2. So this is the process we have to finding the free float for each activity 60. So same procedure will follow for the all throughout activities. So that is the free float value 60, 8, 11, 8, 0, 4, 6, 0. So you have to substitute the values by using this formula. Easy to finding a total float values and then completing the values and substitute the tabular column in free float. So substitute the value 60, 8. This is the values to substitute the total float TF5. And next coming to the free float. What is the formula for free floats? So this is the formula. Free float FFIJ equals to ESJ minus ESI minus Dij. This is the formula for free float. So same activity A 1 to 2. So check the network diagram. So what is the network diagram 1 to 2? So ESJ. So ESJ is earliest start time. So first one ESJ is earliest start time. So that is 2 minus ESI. ESI is the earliest start time 0 minus Dij. Dij for the 1 to 2 activities 2. 2 is common for the Dij duration. It will be not change anything. So only changing of ESJ and ESI. So substitute the value for 1 to 2 activity 2 minus 0 minus 2. So this is the actually substitute that value 2 minus 0 minus 2 is 0. So that is the free float for 1 to 2 activities 0. And then 1 to 3. Check another 1 to 3. So 1 to 3. So formula is ESJ 5 minus 0 minus 5. That equals to 5 minus 5 0. Check it once the activity 1 to 3. 1 to 3. That is the LS start time is 5 minus LS start time I is equal to 0 minus duration is 5. 5 minus 5 0. So same procedure we have to follow for the up to the A to N. So the activity 1 to 2, 1 to 3 same procedure will follow and substitute the values for the free float in the tabular column 0, 0, 6, 0. Same values should be substituting in that path. In the finally what we are observing in the tabular column. So in the tabular column, so which activity is 0 for the total float and free float, that will be considering as a critical path or non-critical path. So the only 0 activity is only considered as critical path. So check it once. Total float value is 0 and the free float value is 0. For which activity? 1 to 3 activity. So 1 to 3 activity B. 1 to 3 activity B is 0, 0. That is critical. But the value 6 and 0 first activity 1 to 2. So 6 and 0. The total float value is 6. Free float value is 0. So that will be not equal. So that is non-critical. So this is the non-critical. 0, 0 is the critical value. And then next 6, 6. This is not critical. 0, 0 is the critical. 8, 0 is not critical. So this will be the same value. This will be the same 0 values will be considered as a critical. Same values will be considered as a critical. Same same 0 values will be considered as a critical, and other values not will be that will be considered as a non-critical values. 0 0 is the critical, 8 0 is not critical, 11 11 same equal values but will be considered as a non-critical. Only we have considered 0 values, 0 0 free float and total floats value is the critical. So that values will be the activity you considering the network path diagram, that is CPM network diagram, that is BDHKN. So already completed in the B problem, BDHKN. So you already finding in the B problem, and the same provision we have to rectify, and that by using of total float to free float values by using of 0 0. So this is the easy to finding a total network diagram by using this all activities for construction of CPM network and determining the architectural path and projection completion time, and finally we are finding a total float and free float by giving the activities and immediate precedence and total duration. Thank you for watching all of this video. Thank you.